Happy Monday, everyone. I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is Toyota Jeff Reviews. Today we're talking about customization, how to personalize your car, how to lift it up and raise the roof, right? We've got the Toyota Lift Kit ×2. Toyota has recently added a lift kit, Toyota approved and validated, right? It's on most Toyota Tacoma trim levels for 2020 models and newer. And then what you get is you get a raised suspension 2 inches in the front, 1 inch in the back. So it's kind of like a mullet. Business in front, party in the back. And to show a little bit of versatility here, we chose an access cab as one of the volunteers. This is a midnight black, 2-wheel drive access cab, 6-foot bed, and it's got different kinds of wheels. We chose to add those wheels. Let's compare that to the other one. We've also got our double cab. This is an SR5 double cab 4x4 in midnight black, and of course it's got different wheels. You may have noticed the grille. Check out my grille, right? Beautiful front end here, and it's got the heritage style TRD Pro inspired front grille in black. That's part of the lift kit, so you'll see that on both of them. That comes when you get the Toyota lift kit. You also get the grille. If you're worried that you haven't gotten this on your truck and you've already bought it, have no fear. You can still get the Toyota lift kit. You can get it before you buy the vehicle, or you can do it after the fact from the dealership level. These were both done at the dealership level. On the double cab, we have added these ourselves. Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, and also the matte black TRD rims with the red lettering. That's not part of the lift kit. That was added. Let's look at the black, and then let's compare it to the bronze that was added on this access cab. This is one of those choices that's really polarizing, I would say, because you either love it or you don't love it. I think it's cool. I wouldn't buy it for myself because it's just not for me. But I dig it, dude. I dig it. These are Nitto Ridge Grappler tires as well, if you want to know, the same ones. LT 285 70R17. Here's some grass. So do you prefer the bronze? Or are you feeling the black wheel design? What you're getting, this is a Toyota designed and validated and compatible suspension system. These are TRD, Toyota Racing Development. They've partnered with Toyota for performance since 1979. Bilstein shocks, Bilstein monotube shocks, which improves ride control and also ride comfort. And we'll also look at that in the hind end. So like I'm describing an animal. Look at the hind end. Ladies and gentlemen, step right up. I'd like to direct your attention to this panel right here. This is radar technology for Toyota Safety Sense. And guess what? It's still in this truck and this truck, even though you have the new grille. That's because this is the only Toyota lift kit that is compatible and approved for Toyota Safety Sense. So that's pretty cool stuff, right? You still get your Toyota Safety Sense, your camera technology, your radar technology, hey Macarena, and you get Toyota Safety Sense and that sweet grille. I'm such a baby 'cause the dolphins make me cry and there's nothing I can do. I've been looking for a girl like you. I only want to be with you. So I ask you, Toyota fans, Toyota truck fans, Toyota Tacoma truck fans, all over the world, are you a fan of the lift kit? Would you put this on your truck? Do you already have a lift? And how many inches in the front? How many inches do you prefer in the back? Are you more of a fan of the double cab or the access cab? Or are you a fan of the 2-wheel drive, the 4-wheel drive? Do you need a 5-foot bed? Do you need a 6-foot bed? Would you like it in the rain? Would you like it on a train? Would you like it with a Fox? Would you, Fox shocks, F-O-X. I do want Fox shocks. Would you like it with a box or in a box? Green eggs and ham. Thanks everyone so much. I really appreciate you all. Check out my new channel, Auto Jeff Reviews. We compare and review all brands and show you how to buy cars and give you tips on buttons and controls and dials. and we tell really cool stories. My friend Carlos and I just filmed a video this past weekend where we are in his Toyota Tacoma that he's kind of blinged out. He's pimped it out. I want you guys to check it out. Auto Jeff Reviews YouTube. Thanks everyone. I'm on Instagram at Toyota Jeff1 and also Auto Jeff Reviews. You'll see pictures and cool videos and stuff like that. And then my websites are toyotajeff.com, autojeff.com. I write for Torque News, torquenews.com/Toyota. Thanks everyone. See ya.